how to get your online statements from PNC Bank. On this process, firstly you'll have to open the official website of PNC Online Banking. So it will be like pnc.com. So simply you have to open it. And after you open the PNC official website, mobilebankingpnc.com on your browser, you will got such an interface. So simply from here, you will have to click on this sign in option just at the top right corner of the screen. So simply tap on this sign in, and after this, on the section you will have to log in with your user ID and password. So give the credential to log in with your account. And now from here, on this section you'll got the sections like account list. So simply on the account list, you will have to go the options virtual wallet. So simply you have to click on that virtual wallet link. So simply tap on it, and now on this page you will got options like view all activity. So simply you have to click on that view all activity option, and now from here you will be able to see a list of available accounts. So from here you have to choose the specific account whom you want to get the statements from that account. So simply choose the account, and now after that, lastly you will have to choose the specific date of that statements whom you want to get. So simply choose the date. And now after choosing that, the statements for that transaction will be automatically downloaded to your system. So it will be viewing like this. So this is the easiest and simplest method to get your online statements from PNC banks. So hope this video was helpful to you, and please don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon over there for more short tutorial like this. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.